2021, Google released their latest version of analytics, GA4. So in today's video, what we're going to do is walk through how you can set that up and integrate it on your Squarespace website. To begin, we need to set up a Google Analytics account. So just type in Google Analytics into Google and click on the first search result. You can then decide if you want to check all of this. I'm just going to hit save. You can do a quick tour if you want. I'm just going to come off of this. And the first thing that we're going to do is go down to admin, right down here on the bottom left hand corner. So select admin and we're going to create a new account. So we'll create a new account here. And we would give it a name. I'm just going to give it a mock name. You can then scroll down here. You can read this documentation, click anything, make sure you're happy with what the data is collecting, and then hit next. You'll then give your property a name. So I'm going to use a template for this, so I'll give that a name. I can then adjust my time zone to the UK if I wanted to. I could then change my currency if I wanted to. I accept US dollars on my website, so I'm just going to go ahead and leave that, hit next. And then you can put in some business information, so you'd put that in. I'm just going to leave it blank for now and we'll hit create. Now make sure your location's correct, read through the terms and conditions, and then once you accept, click here and click I accept. So we've now got this next step stage, and the first thing we have to do is set up a new data stream. So we're going to select web because it's for a website. We'll put in our domain, so I'm going to use this Artique website, so I'm just going to copy the URL here, the Squarespace one. You would put your one. I'll take this HTTPS out. I want to make sure that it is HTTPS selected and not HTTP. Give my stream a name, and then I'm going to select create stream. We now have all the web stream details that we need in order to set up our Google Analytics. So before, if you were using Google Analytics, this would be a UA number. And what you would do is you would come into Squarespace, select settings, select advanced, select external API keys, and then you would paste in your UA number here. Now, Squarespace have just updated this, so you can just copy this ID number in here, and you can paste it in and hit save. And that's how you set up Google Analytics. It's as simple as that. The other way you can do this is a simple approach, but the other way you can do it, so you know, is you could take this out. It's important that you take that out, come back out here, and you need to have a business plan or hire to do this, but you would go to code injection, and then here in this header section, you would come into your analytics where it says global site tag. You would copy this code, come back into your site, paste it into this header section and select save. So both methods work. The first one is a little bit easier, but that's how you can set up Google Analytics on your website. Thank you so much for watching, my friend. I hope that you found it valuable. If you did, give it a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button. And if you have any questions or tutorial requests, please leave them in the comments below. I try to read and respond to every single one of them.